2.5 years ago, I met Zoran Zaev. I recognized in him the same thing that many other leaders saw, that he didn't speak about the past, but about the future. He didn't speak about problems, but about solutions. He didn't express the Balkan insecurities of a small European country that was afraid to lose its history. He expressed the European vision of a confident Balkan country that was fighting to make history. Not the history of war, intolerance and poverty, but a new progressive chapter in European Balkan history, based on mutual respect, cooperation, tolerance, economic development and social justice. A future in the EU and in NATO as the people of North Macedonia have chosen. 3 years are not enough to meet the expectations of a country. But as Zoran Zaev, Nikola Dimitrov and the Social Democrats have proven, they are enough to change its fate forever. There is much work to do in this new chapter of history, and it can only be done under the leadership of a progressive and brave leader like Zoran Zaev. Many years ago, your great poet Blazek Oneski wrote, "Still the pain cries out within me that I'm born into a tribe in need, sower of barren seed." But in the last 2 years since we signed the Prespa agreement, I hear a different poem of hope from a new generation of North Macedonia. Vladimir Mardinovsky says, "Buy 2 loaves of peace and seeds to grow back lost time." So I say, together with this new generation, on 15 July, buy 2 loaves of peace and seeds to grow back lost time.